Hey, what's going on, everybody? In this video right here, I'm going to replace the back slide on my Glock 27. The back slide right here to make it more customizable. I changed it on my nightstand firearm. I put the little flag on there, and now it's time to put a custom plate on this guy. So what I did was I got this plate. I got this plate right here, and I'm gonna put this right on the back of the slide. Straightforward. Always check to make sure it's clear. Clear is, of course, there's no magazine in there. All right, so now I just have to pull the trigger. All right, put this on the side. Take this out. Oh, all right, take the barrel out. If you haven't cleaned your firearm in a while, this is a good time to clean it because you got to take it apart. And the main thing with this guy is to take a tool and stick it right into this hole right here and push it down. So I have a little punch. So now I'm just going to stick it in. The key is to keep your hand on this slide right here. So is a spring in there that will just pop right out on you. And then that's be another pain in the butt. So you heard that click? That's it. I have my finger on it, and nothing shot out at me. Now you see this the old plate right here. Straightforward. Now I'm gonna put the new plate in. This guy. Now the key with this one, you'll see that it's a little groove that goes right in there. You just get it started in the groove. You push down on the little black piece to get it started. All right, so now as you see that it started, and now you just see the little white spring right there. Now I just have to push that down. That's why I'm gonna take this tool. All right, there you go. All right, so now the new slide is in. As you can see, that's all it took. 1, 2, 3. I would say with my Glock 19, since the firearm is actually larger, it's easier to maneuver. These are a little smaller, so my big old hands was having trouble grabbing onto stuff. So now it's just reassembling the firearm. All right, everything's back together. Function check. Everything back to normal with the new slide in there. Simple as 1, 2, 3. That's one of the things I like about Glocks is you can customize it. It's easy to customize. A lot of the parts are interchangeable. You could change stuff around, so it makes the gun fun. It's not a boring firearm. That's it. All right, everyone. Check you in the next video. Peace.